So there's a brand new short form video app that reminds me of TikTok in 2019. Now, when people first posted on TikTok in 2019, you could literally post anything you wanted and you would get thousands and even hundreds of thousands of views. And you could go from 0 to 100,000 followers overnight. Now, this brand new app is helping people grow their following extremely fast. Check out this creator, Brittany Patrick, who grew her following from 0 to almost 5,000 followers in just 5 days. And here's another creator who grew from 0 to over 31,000 followers using this new app. Now, the best part about this app is you have access to the link in your bio from day number 1. You can go live. There's literally no restrictions. Now, the app that I'm talking about is called Clapper. Now, this is a short form video app similar to TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels. It's a short form video app that allows you to post videos that are 5 seconds, 10 seconds to up to 60 seconds. Now, I do want to mention that short form videos have completely changed my life. I've used short form videos to grow my YouTube channel to 0 to over 50,000 subscribers, to grow my email list from 0 to over 300,000 subscribers. And I've also used short form videos to go from 0 to over $3 million in revenue in just the last few years. Now, if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can use short form videos to start making money online. Now, I pulled up this article by Martech Series, and as you can see, it says Clapper is one of the fastest growing social media apps, and it has attracted more than 2 million users of Gen X and Y globally. Now, the reason I mention that is because when TikTok first launched in 2019, so many people went viral. Their videos went viral. They grew their following. I mean, I even grew my following from 0 to over 200,000 followers very quickly. There's a few reasons for that, right? Because when there's a new app that comes out that's similar to this, whether it's TikTok in 2019 or Instagram in 2009, there's a reason why all these people grow very quickly when they jump on these apps right when they come out, because these apps want to grow. So the way they're going to grow is they're going to give followers in views to their early adopters. So right now, at the recording of this video, I suggest that you start posting videos on Clapper. Now, the crazy thing is it doesn't have to be super edited, 4K videos. You can literally use your phone to create videos. Now, here's a simple example of a video that you can literally make in just a few minutes. All I'm doing here is recording myself and I'm pointing to some text. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm showing people the opportunity of how to start making money online. This is how I've been able to go from 0 to $3 million, is by making simple videos just like this. Now, if I play this video, it's literally only 8 seconds, and all I'm doing is looking at the camera with some text. Now, because Clapper is a brand new app, I've been able to grow very quickly. I only posted a handful of videos, and I've seen other creators grow extremely quick just by posting a few videos. Now, here's the cool thing about Clapper. You can actually add a link in your bio, allowing you to start generating income. Now, how does this work even if you don't have a product, if you don't have a team, or if you don't have a business? This is actually called affiliate marketing. So what you're doing is you're creating simple videos on Clapper or a short form video app, and we're sending these people to a link to a product that we don't own, that we didn't create, and we don't have to fulfill. And this is how I personally got out of my 9-to-5 job, and how I've helped over 50,000 students get started on the path of leaving their 9-to-5 job. Now, the reason why I mention this is because in the past, I taught my students to use TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and those are still great places to start generating traffic to these affiliate links. However, since Clapper is a brand new app, I know for a fact that you're gonna be able to grow your following extremely quickly rather than like TikTok or Instagram Reels, because those are established apps. Like I said, back in 2019, when I started my TikTok, I was able to grow that from 0 to over 200,000 followers because I was an early adopter. Now, I want to show you some cool features with the Clapper app. Now, as you can see right here, this is my profile, and I was able to create this literally day one of the app. As you can see, I have my bio here. It says X9 to Fiverr to 7 figures and how to leave your job. Then I have the link in the bio. Now, the cool thing about this is you can add a link in your bio from day number 1. You don't have to get 1,000 followers like TikTok. Now, here's another cool thing. You can link your TikTok and your Instagram accounts from Clapper. So this allows you to grow your TikTok and your Instagram at the same time. Now, the last feature that is super cool I have never seen on a short form video app is groups. So if you've ever seen like a Facebook group, this is similar, but on Clapper. So they literally allow you to build a community. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. These apps don't allow you to build a community. The only one that has been able to do that is Facebook groups. So this app right here is super cool because it allows you to do all these things from day number 1. And of course, you can even go live from day number 1 on Clapper, which is just another way to grow your following. So how does the algorithm work with Clapper? At the time of recording this video, the algorithm is honestly all over the place. So if you've ever been on TikTok or Instagram, it typically will show you videos that you're interested in. With Clapper, they're still figuring this out. So this is a great way to start growing your business and your following because they're just putting random videos out. And honestly, this is how TikTok was in 2019. I was one of the first early adopters to start using TikTok for business. So I recommend that you get on this app and start making videos, but more importantly, get people from these videos to an affiliate link so you can start making money. Now, as promised, I wanted to mention how I could help you start making money with Clapper and affiliate marketing. So I put together a 72-hour challenge that allows you to clone my exact business. That way you can promote it as your own. You're gonna get my website, you're gonna get a course to promote as your own, and you're gonna get your own link. So you can put this link on Clapper or whatever short form video app that you're using, and you can get people from your videos to that link so you can start generating commission. I'll leave a link down below to my 72-hour challenge, and that'll walk you through step by step exactly how you can get started, but more importantly, how you can clone my 7-figure business as your own. Now, if you watch this video until the end, then I want you to type in early adopter down below in the comments. Now, more importantly, I want you to start posting videos as soon as possible. Now, do me a favor and add your first Clapper video down in the comments, and I will personally go to your video. I will follow you and I will comment on the video early adopter. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was of value to you. Please take action on this because I did in 2019 when TikTok was first released, and that totally changed my life. I hope this can change your life as well. We'll see you guys on the next video. God bless.